yesterday at 3:41 p.m.? No, don't worry, that's what we're gonna discuss today. I receive a lot of doubts and comments from students saying, ma'am, we're not able to remember all of that. We study for 3 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, but yet here we are, we don't remember all of that we studied yesterday. So is there any way to build up your memory? The first thing is to not cram the things. So guys, cramming is a temporary solution and we need a permanent cure of this. And what is that? That is the concept building. Make sure that all your concepts are clear. Whenever you are studying, if you are having some doubts, then clear all your doubts just side by side when you are doing the revision, when you are doing the practice. Okay, and the second important thing is to always visualize the thing. If your concept, the core understanding of the concept is strong, it will help you to visualize the things around you. Make some memo cards, make some short cards for the revision. Just keep on revisiting them again and again. Make use of your surroundings to visualize the things. That is the best possible way to connect what you are studying to your practical life. Okay, the second is to manage your space. This is very important because whenever you sit to study, then what is stopping you? Beep, a sound coming from your mobile phone. It might be my best friend sharing a meme. So that will be calling you towards yourself. So what you need to do, stop all the distractions, be it the social media, the electronic gadgets, always keep them away. Submit them to your parents. Then let them not disturb you for 2 hours. Okay, whatever is the time that you have targeted. So it's very important that you're not getting much sounds in your surrounding area. Well, that's ironic right now. So yeah, surroundings should be very quiet. Okay, so no one should call you after every 10 minutes, do this, do that, let's go there. Just stop that for the moment you are studying. Okay, the next thing, make use of acronyms, mnemonics, use that. But having said that, access of everything is bad, so do not make acronyms and mnemonics for every topic, because remembering mnemonics is also not easy, and that also consumes a lot of your time. So wherever it is required, like in chemistry, like reactivity series is there, so you have some chemical formulas, you're not able to remember that vertical columns are known as groups. Just make a chotu sa mnemonic, VCG. Very cute girl. Okay, vertical columns are known as groups. So that was just a basic example. So make use of these things and always eat healthy food. Okay, nutritious food is gonna give you energy. Whenever you are sitting to study and you are hungry, believe me, you cannot focus at all. Okay, so you should take a good diet. That is very important. And always keep on rewarding yourself. Just appreciate yourself for the tiniest of things that you're doing in your life. Do not criticize yourself, because that will just bring you down. That's going to pull you down. What you need to do is always pat your back for tiniest of things, so that your motivation can be high. Just stay away from negativity. See, you are my Kitayans. I call you Kitayan for a reason. Kitayanic vibes around us are very important. So follow all these steps and do some stretching and exercises, meditation. Just do it for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. That's going to bring concentration in your life, focus in your life. That's important. And the next tip is to remember 100% of what you studied yesterday is to do the revision. Yes, and the beauty of revision is that each time you revise something, do you know, next time it's going to take less of your time. So whatever you studied yesterday, take some time, especially the morning time is best for revisions. Just revisit that part, what you studied yesterday. Now just keep this continuously. Just make a chain of revision, that you keep on revisiting the concepts that you did yesterday. And believe me, this is gonna increase your memory concentration. This is a tested formula by your Shilpi ma'am. Okay, so follow all these tiny little things. Just add them in your daily routine, and trust me, you're gonna see magnificent changes, right? I wish you all the very best. Bye bye.